What is a restrictive covenant? A restrictive covenant is a term in an employment contract that prevents the employee from doing something after the employment has ended. Activities that might be prevented include poaching old customers, trying to solicit their business, poaching other employees at the business, or working in a competitive activity. Because restrictive covenants potentially prevent an individual from working in their trade entirely, the courts can be quite ready to say that they're not enforceable. To be enforceable, they need to be drawn up as tightly as possible. Firstly, they need to protect a legitimate business interest. Legitimate business interests might include the following: business connections, the stability of the workforce, or confidential information. Secondly, the restrictive covenants must go no further than is absolutely necessary to protect those legitimate interests. They will therefore need to be limited in time, in scope, and in geography. Despite these difficulties, covenants that are properly drawn up can be enforced. Restrictive covenants are widely used in sales roles and very senior roles. They're also used where an individual has a lot of contact with clients or customers. However, they can be used in most situations and are becoming rapidly a very standard part of employment contracts. An employer who wishes to rely on restrictive covenants must make sure that they're very carefully drafted and introduced in the correct way. For further information about the assistance we can provide in drawing up contracts, please click here.